Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. So let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 gold, Euro USD, and US oil. So if you want to talk to me here, I am my contact. You can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also like, guys. I'm going to make this one very quick since I need to go somewhere. So what do we see here? I started with a NASDAQ, as you can see, as always, as I used to start with NASDAQ. So yesterday we had a very great trade. You can see we entered here. I think I also showed you on my previous video yesterday. I said you can enter there because we had a very nice retest. Look what happened. We even touched the take profit. So let me just remove that. I just wanted to show you that, and check the stop loss was very close, very close. So I just need to make this one very quick. Actually, I don't have enough time at the moment. So but what do we see here, guys? I think everything is quite clear. Everything is quite clear because the market was creating a like bearish momentum. The market was moving like this. So after that, the market broke that resistance, and we have a very nice retest here. So what happened? The market after retest just shot up, you see. So after this shoot up, guys, at the moment there's I don't see any opportunity at the moment, unless the market start to create some new structure from this area. It's where we're going to say now on Nasdaq we have something that we can focus on. But at the moment, no, we don't have anything. Maybe the market will just try to come back here on this and respect this area again before shooting up again. I don't know, but at the moment we don't have anything. We'll just wait for the market to give us those structures that we're waiting for. If not, it means today we're not going to trade anything, especially on Nasdaq 100. So without wasting your time, let's go straight to US30. On US30, we also killed US30, but not as the way we killed the Nasdaq. So let's put this on 2 hours time frame. I hope you can see this. So everything was quite nice yesterday. Why? Because the market was just shooting up. You can see where we entered. I entered somewhere here. Here was the stop loss. We entered somewhere here. Then the market is now really up, but the take profit was not taken. So we have to close that before that. But we made some very nice profit. Let me remove this. Uh, Let me remove this. So as you can see that we had a very nice, very nice structure. Remember, the market is still pushing up. So, or let me just show you that firstly on a bigger time frame, so that you can understand what was happening here. We had something like this, guys. I hope you can see that. We had something like this where the market was creating something like this, you see. So if you still remember yesterday, I said what do we want? We need some another push, because the market is from this resist support, so it means the market can push up like this. So what do we want? We just want a small dip where the market will create something like that, and we can take that, you see. So as you can see that we still, the market I think is still bearish until we reach somewhere here before we can shoot lower. So we need to go closer and see what we can get from there. So I clicked I am going to use like 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, guys, we need to have a support line that we can focus on at the moment. So what are we looking at here? It's quite simple. It's quite similar to what we saw on Nasdaq. It's a resistant. Then after the market pushes up, breaking that support, sorry, resistant. Now the market is creating a move like this. You see that? So it means like now the market it's created that, so we need to adjust our, let's adjust this. We can adjust our support lines. Let's adjust our support lines. See, something like this. So what we expect here, we just expect the market to create moves like this going up, unless if maybe the market breaks this area, we will say now the market is about to sell off, but we don't see that at the moment. But at the moment, if that happens, is what we can expect. At the moment, we still on a full bullish momentum, then the market can do that. Why we say that? We just broken our resistance, so it means the market is still on bullish. And when you check this, the market did not move as exactly as NASDAQ. I think the market will have to catch up with that, so we might see maybe even before the market open, we might see also US30 pushing higher, you see. So yeah, that's what I see on, unless if maybe we see another breakout, you can look for a sell. Only when the market breaks retest, then we can say the market is about to go lower. But at the moment, we're still bullish, as you can see. So let's go straight to gold, because guys, I need to check other things, so I need to do this very fast, especially as I don't have any choice. I just have to make this video. But as long as I made something, as long as you can see what might happen, is better than nothing. So what do we see on gold? On gold, guys, we saw that we had a very nice structure going lower like this, which was a very nice bearish. The market was creating moves, very nice moves, and these things, they is also similar to what we saw on NASDAQ and also US30. So after that, we saw the market break this retest. Guess what? The market just shot up, similar to what happened on NASDAQ 100. You see, now the market is trying to come back, but you know what? We need to be careful here. Also on gold, we need another structure, because up there it seems like there's an area where we can call a resistance, but it's a bit far, guys. So what we can do at the moment, we just need to focus on NASDAQ around this zone. It has to give us something. Obviously, we might say, let's just temporarily put this as a resistance. Maybe we will have a move, maybe it will, I don't know where it will reach, but at the moment the candlesticks respected this area, so that it will be our first place. Then maybe the market will try to do something like this, maybe break this area or going up. We don't have to guess everything, so we just have to wait for the market to give us that structure, then before we can say now we can throw our thing, you see. So still on gold, there's nothing much today, so we just have to wait, because after this moves, guys, the market has to try to refresh, try to retest, reject, until it creates some nice structure, you see. Something like this, you can see this move here, we can say it's similar to this one here. So after this, the market can try to consolidate, start to create some structure that we want, you see. So without wasting your time, you know, we need to move fast. We are on oil, guys. Oil, 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 oil. So let's see what we can get on oil. Let's see. Okay, 3 hours much better. On 3 hours, you can see that if you checked my previous video, I think you already know that we had this area as a support. The market retested there, I mean touched there and pushed up, but we still on a, like, this is a bullish momentum, but we need to be careful here. Why? Because even if the market respected this area, remember we're still running below the strongest resistance that we got. So it means from here, since this is a 3 hour time frame, I see a retest, we can have a very nice buy, then pushing up. But remember, this area, it can be respected again, and we might see the market pushing lower. It means if you have like your buy around this area, make sure your take profit are somewhere here before you reach this resistance. Then if the market breaks that, it's where you can say, now it's time for me to add more buy positions. But you can still have your buy position here, because this is also a resistance that we had. It's broken, and we see also a retest. It's few pips, guys. You can make something from this, but just know that we have a resistance. So from there, it's where you can say, let's see, it's where you can say you can hold, lock the profit. If it breaks, it's where you can just continue scaling up. But at the moment, it's risky just to say I buy here and you don't lock everything that you get. Make sure you place the stop loss lock. If there's a retest, I mean a rejection here, you know that you are still safe, you see. So we need to be safe in the markets, guys. So that is the best thing that you can do. So let's go to the last one, Euro USD. On Euro USD, guys, things look nice. Things looks nice. So what do we see here? I see that the market, if you still remember, we were preaching about this resistance line. So this resistance line now you can see that this resistance line now is now broken. And if it's broken like this, it means we see the market retesting. So the market can push up, you see. So actually, I need to send the signal here, and the stop loss should be here. I think the market will keep pushing higher and higher, you see. Why? Because we just broken this resistance. We had this resistance for some time now. So, and we see that the market came, retest, then it's now pushing up. We can even go to a bit smaller time frame and see or what's really happening there. Let's do this auto. You can see that a breakout retest, then the market is now pushing up. It's quite easy, it's quite straightforward. It's not like it's like necessarily that the market has to push up. The market can still push lower, but with the strategy, guys, it's what we see at the moment. You can place your stop loss here. Mostly 90% of the time, we're still going to make money. Obvious, you see. So thank you, guys. If you want to be in the group, let me show you some good stuff. Okay, I just wanted to I wanted to show you some good stuff that we have in the group. Okay, these are the profits that we made yesterday. Let's go back. Okay, here we have some good stuff, guys. Look here, look here. You can't get this price anyway, guys. It's $15. It's lifetime, it's not monthly. And the system is now $15. If you want to talk to me, you know what to do. These are my contacts. You can just talk to me. I don't want to make this video very long. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Let's grow the channel. Thanks to everyone who already subscribed, guys. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bow.